Ever wish you could perfectly freeze those fleeting, unforgettable moments, like a child's first steps or a game-winning goal? Today, we're going to unlock the power of continuous shooting on your Canon EOS 2000d, also known as the Rebel T7, so you never miss a beat. First, to access the camera's complete settings for continuous shooting, turn your mode dial out of any basic zone modes and into one of the creative zone modes, such as Program A, Shutter Priority A, Aperture Priority A, or Manual Exposure Mode. Now, look for the drive mode icon on your camera's display. It usually looks like a stack of overlapping rectangles or a single rectangle with an arrow. You can find this by pressing the Q button on the back of your camera, then using the directional pad or the main dial to navigate and select the drive mode icon. Once you've selected drive mode, you'll see several options. Choose the continuous shooting setting, often represented by the same overlapping rectangles or multiple frames, to set your camera for rapid-fire capture. With continuous shooting activated, simply hold down your shutter button, and your camera will fire off a rapid sequence of shots, ensuring you capture every micro-expression and every burst of action. From spontaneous laughs to high-speed thrills, continuous shooting empowers you to capture the essence of motion, transforming fleeting moments into lasting memories. Go out and start experimenting.